When I began to really study this situation, I said to myself, I'm pretty sure that I can make some hair care with some love, with some care, and without any harmful, toxic, hormonal compromising ingredients, endocrine disruptors. I could do without that. Hi guys, it's Miss Gina and I am back, and I'm so glad to have you on board once again. Thank you for all the love and support. I've been really busy this 2025 getting you guys orders packaged and out on time. Thank you again for the support. And really guys, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, follow us on TikTok and even on Instagram. So let me dive right in because I've been getting so many questions on this subject. What am I getting asked? Why did I start House of Isis? Why do I take the time to mix and measure the shea butter products? Why do I actually come up with these amazing hair growth formulas using essential oils only? With all of the recent talk about all of the harmful chemicals in hair care, in relaxers, Miss Gina just wants you to know that it's not just in relaxers. These harmful chemicals are actually in your everyday hair care. Yeah, the stuff that you get used on at the salon, the stuff you're buying from the stores. I'm talking about things like gel, mousse, things like that have dye in them, things that have artificial fragrance, things that contain triclosan, things that contain formaldehyde releasing ingredients. The reason why I'm bringing all this forward, guys, is because these are the things that are actually causing your hormone levels to be completely out of whack. See, when your hormone levels are out of whack, it triggers other things inside the body, okay? These chemicals have the ability to do that. They mess with your endocrine system, and it's all leading to the things that they're now telling us to be true. Like, this stuff causes cancer. This stuff causes not just cancer, various forms of cancer, breast cancer to be more explicit. We're talking about messing up the endocrine system, the reproductive system is harmed. A myriad of problems can actually happen when these larger companies decide to actually inject our hair care with these horrible toxic chemicals. So Miss Gina decided, look, you guys, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, okay? I can actually not contribute to this problem, but be part of a solution. So when people ask me, Miss Gina, why did you make House of Isis? That's the reason why. First things first, guys, you are so vitally important to Miss Gina. Yes, you are. I love and care about you, and I love and care about our hair. But most of all, guys, when I began to really study this situation, I said to myself, I'm pretty sure that I can make some hair care with some love, with some care, and without any harmful, toxic, hormonal compromising ingredients, endocrine disruptors. I could do without that. Because you know something? After being a licensed cosmetologist for over 30 plus years and listening to the myriad of problems that always seem to be the same, and these problems were coming from us. What were those problems? The hair products just weren't working. They were making our hair too dry, making our scalps tight and uncomfortable, and just generally not working like they said they were supposed to, right? Conditioners were icky and sticky, and let's not talk about the products for locks. The only products that even existed for locks were products that you kind of had to kind of hijack over to locks, like beeswax. Things that contain petroleum, making our locks sticky, heavy, and just really, really blogged up with a whole bunch of buildup. And guys, it just didn't get any better than that. So Miss Gina said, all right, I'm going to step out of that arena and create hair products at home. So House of Isis got started. I started mixing, I started measuring, but above all, I kept studying. Because when I put House of Isis together, I introduced things like essential oils, guys, things like rosemary. Rosemary has been known for centuries to help to strengthen hair from the inside out. And rosemary really does create a very clean and a peaceful environment within the scalp. cooling, soothing. It's anti-inflammatory as well. And so then Miss Gina paired that with things like lavender to heal people's scalps, because you know hair growth really starts from the scalp up, and everybody wants long, strong, healthy hair, right? Okay, fine. Now let's talk about some humectants. Let's talk about things that can actually moisturize hair that are completely natural. Things like vegetable glycerin. Yes. Well, why not? You know, we're going to do natural with natural. We're going to talk about African shea butter. You know, Miss Gina's been whipping that shea butter for a minute. If you're new, let me tell you about why I actually chose shea butter as a vehicle for a conditioner. Guys, shea butter is chock full of saponinic fats, the good fats that help to support the elasticity in your hair shaft, preventing shedding. Like seriously, you now have a chance to grow your hair long and strong and healthy from the root to the tip with things like shea butter to protect it. And I'm telling you guys, I use shea butter in all of the products that exist at House of Ices. It's a safer way to go to moisturize. Now let's drop into that. You know, when you pair things like chamomile, frankincense, and you decide that you want to retwist your hair with a pomade, but you don't want to use gel because gel contains things like propylene glycol, dye, and artificial fragrance, very endangering to your endocrine system once it seeps into your pores. So we want to seep into your pores good things like 100% cold pressed olive and castor oil. See, these things are actually helpful when they penetrate into your skin cells through your pores, but they're going to produce positive results within the body. So guys, in a nutshell, I am super excited to be able to deliver this message to you with the help of my amazing daughter who has joined up with me. Like, it's a mother and daughter team here, guys. And we are delivering to you these amazing products at House of Ices. We actually make up the less than 2% space of Black hair care manufacturers, guys. So we really thank you for your support. We now have over 8,000 customers and we're in over 18 countries worldwide. So we want to continue to grow so that you guys can continue to stay healthy. So if this Black History Month you're looking to support our Black business, then consider us, guys. We are Black owned, female owned, mother and daughter team. And yes, guys, we actually care about not just your hair, but also your health. So thank you for joining us on this journey. See you next time for more hair care tips, and be well.